Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad geometric problem, and here we have a nice right triangle in which the length of one side is 28 and the area of this triangle is 98, and we will solve this problem for the values of this n. So here n be the angle of this right triangle, so we need to find the value of this angle n. So the very first thing we are going to do is here. First, you see here it is the right triangle, and now I can named the opposite side of vertex A is small a, and I can named the side opposite to the vertex B is small b, and we name the opposite side opposite to the vertex C is small c. So these are the length of all three sides which I can named here, or now uh, uh, the one thing more you will know about the right triangle is the side opposite to the angle of 90 is known as the hypotenuse, and the side opposite to this angle n is known as the perpendicular or altitude, or the side which is combine these two angle or join these two angles is known as the base. So because this is the right triangle, and here we will easily write the cosine of the angle which is equals to, so you know that here we have the angle is n, so cosine of the angle n equals to base over hypotenuse. So here we have our base is small b and our hypotenuse is small c. So now when you put the values of b and c here, so you will get the value of cosine of the angle n equals to, so here you have b over c and the value of c here is 28. So now we put the value of c here, and now we can solve this expression for the value of b. So this expression will implies that b equals to 28 times of cos n. So this is the value of the base b. So this is b, so we can find the value of b, which is 28 times of cos n, cosine of angle n. So now here we have two sides of this triangle, the one is b and other is c. So you know about the area of triangle having the two vertex between is that the formula is area of triangle equals to 1 over 2 times of BC into sine of the angle between B and C. So here we have the side is B and C, so we can write the angle which is made by these two sides, so which is the angle of sine n. So now we will put the values of all the values here, because we know that area of triangle of the given is 98 and the side B is 28 cos of the angle n and the side C is 28. So now we can put all the values of required values here. So now we can put the area of triangle is 98 equals to 1 over 2 times the value of b, which is 28 times of cos n, and the value of c is 28 into sine of the angle n. So now we will make little bit simplifications here, and we can find the value of n. So now you can see here these 2 and 28 are gone by each other, and here you obtain 98 equals to 14 times of cos of the angle n. Here we write this 28 as 14 times of 2, and we have this sine of the angle n. And now we will rearrange the terms, and we can write it as 14 times of we can write this 14 into, here we have this 2 and this is sine n, and here we have cos n, so we can write it here cos of the angle n. So for move forward, first I can explain the concept of geometry here. So we need here the well-known geometric double angle identity. So here you know that if we have sine of the angle 2 theta, so if you have sine of 2 theta, then this is the very important and well known formula. So it is equals to 2 times of sine of theta into cos of theta. So here we have the right hand side of this formula, so which is 2 of sine n into cos n. So when we can combine these sides and we can move this right hand side to the left hand side, so that the right hand side of our expression will be looks like in the form of 98 equals to, here you have 14 times of 14, so it is equals to 196, and we can use this equals to sine of the angle of 2 times of n. So that according to this formula we can combine these terms and we write it as sine of 2 times of n. And in the next step we move this 196 from right hand side to the left hand side. So here you get 98 over 196 equals to sine of 2 times of n. So now you see here we have 19 ones are 19 and 92s are 196. So we can use here these some cancellations. So after these cancellations we will get here sine of 2 times of n equals to 1 over 2. So now here we move the sign from the sign in the right hand side, or we will take the inverse sine function here. Then you will get here 2 times of n equals to sine inverse of 1 over 2. So here you know that the value of sine of the angle of 30 equals to, you know that sine of 30 equals to 1 over 2. So when we move the sign in the right hand side, then you will get here 30 degree equals to sine inverse of 1 over 2. So now we will use here this tabular values of sine, so that after using this value the right hand side will becomes 2 times of n equals to 30 degree. So now we move this n in the right hand side, then you will get here n equals to 30 over 2. So this implies that n equals to 15 degrees. So this is the our final value of this problem. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.